Oh, we're done with Jollibee. And now we're gonna go to just look around at this park over here.
Do you have a hat?
No, I don't need that.
You might get dehydrated.
We just have to drink water then. So this is their main city park. Is it
Yeah.
their main city park
Yeah,
here?
every Christmas it's happy, right?
Oh, it's a Saturday, so that means City Hall is closed.
Oh, yeah,
That's why nothing's happening. Development Bank of the Philippines. Why does it look like the one in Makati? Look, it's the same architecture as the one in Makati. Hello. Hi. Morning. All right. And then we're going walking over here to this.
It's closed.
No, but why are there people there?
Another gate. One of the building, like they call it.
Oh, it's
residential
closed.
building. Is there? Family building.
Why do they lock it? It's closed. Okay. What are you gonna ask?
Yung dating Prudential building, alam niyo ba?
Ha?
Yung dating Prudential building, malapit
Ito
dito.
Capitol? Provincial Capitol.
Suman.
Ano?
Kamoteng kahoy, meron kayo din?
Prudential building?
Wala na. Sir, ato. Oh.
Yan ba yung building ng Prudential?
Oo, provincial. Ayan, oh,
Hindi,
Capitol.
Prudential
Ah,
Bank.
Prudential
Bank.
Bank.
Dati yung dito yun eh, malapit.
Wala ko kadulong na.
Ha? Saan? Saan? Yung KFC?
Oh,
It's not there anymore.
Hindi kasi nagsira na yung
Prudential
oo,
Bank.
bank. O, pero yung building na dating naging Prudential.
wala ko piya kung kailan magdiin na ayun na.
Ah,
Kay ano ni Disayaw, DDP.
oo. Pero doon yung KFC wala na.
Why? Why do you want to see it?
Hindi, alam ko, hindi naman nabenta. No?
Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito?
Kalamay hati, sir.
Oh, kalamay.
Yes,
What's
sir.
kalamay? What about kalamay?
Kalamay
Sugar.
hati.
What's
Made
it?
of malagkit
Ah.
with sugar. and
Ikaw ang
Yes, sir.
ikaw ang nagluto?
Yes, sir.
Mahusay.
Oo, nung Saturday, napuntang Amerika to lagi.
Kalamay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano, ito ay
Butong, yung malagkit
What's a butong?
na malagkit na tinimpla sa asin at saka gata.
really?
Oo, malinamnam siya.
We don't have that in Manila.
Oo, sir.
But-
Dito lang yan.
But be
But
careful.
what?
To carry many
But-
things.
Ito
Ong.
naman, ibos.
Ibos
What's an
suman.
ibos?
Malagkit din na
Suman? No, different.
No,
Different.
it's a suman.
Oh my
Nasa
gosh.
down siya ng nyug. Ito
The,
sa down ng saging.
oh, and that one,
Parehas lang.
apares, butong.
Ito naman, sumanlat.
Pero it sounds like Chinese. Butong, no? No. Ito ang
Sumanlatik, meron siyang
suman
toppings
latik,
na
yan. Latik like coconuts,
sweet
ganyan.
coconut.
Mahusay. Have you tried it before?
No.
Ah,
Ito, sir, masarap lagi.
Hindi,
ko
isang araw lang kami dito.
out
Flying,
of the
flying out
country.
eh.
out of the country,
Yeah.
people take it out.
That's right.
Oh.
Familiar kayo sa Sharon's Kansi House?
What's that?
Yung kansi?
Anong kansi?
Yan yung sikat dito sa Bacolod, Sharon's Kansi.
Saan ba?
O doon yan sa may shopping, sir.
Charis?
Sharon's Kansi House.
Charin's Kansi House. Ano bang
Oo, yung
kansi?
asawa ni Ann Cortez na si
Oh.
Erwan Yusa.
Oh.
2 times nang pumunta dyan at kumain
Oo.
ng kansi.
Kansi House, Charin's Kansi House.
Ika-35 sila na unique na menu in the whole world.
Ah, what's kansi? Di ba laman loob?
Yung bone marrow na
Oh, I don't eat that.
Oo.
May gout ako. May gout
Ay,
ako.
naku, sa
Hindi
Carabao.
pwede ako
Natatakot
kumakain.
ako.
meat siya.
But may ibang putahe sila?
Meron.
Iba't iba?
Oh, iba't
You want a souvenir, no?
Oh, ito
Ah,
pasalubong, sir. Oh,
makano isa?
60.
Ano ba ito ulit again?
Kalamay hati.
I can
Kalamay
buy for you,
hati.
then you can keep
No, I have also. Oh, no, I don't. Nag-accept kayo ng GCash?
Hindi,
Yes,
hindi.
sir. May
Oh, may
Gcash.
GCash. Yeah.
No, we just
No. But I want like kamoteng kahoy.
Gusto mo, alupi.
What's alupi?
Ayan ka nanay, ang buto nera.
What's an alupi?
Made of kamuti kahoy.
I like kamote kahoy instead.
May,
Sometimes it's poisonous. Di ba?
Poisonous?
Kung minsan
Hindi,
nalalason.
merong isang klase ng kamuting kahoy na ginagawang ano? Ng,
I think you want
I just
to buy
want something
this
small that's not sweet. Ano bang hindi mas
sila hindi yan sweet.
Oo nga, kasi
Ano
diabetes.
lang, lalagyan mo pa siya ng mascobado. Inip mo pa siya.
Oh, then I'll go like this butong. I've never tried a butong.
I-try mo sir ngayon.
Ah.
Buksan ko. Tingnan
Oh,
mo.
not now. Kumain na kami breakfast. We just had breakfast na.
Ha?
I can eat for merienda, right?
Oh,
Oh,
Hindi,
then,
pwede pa yan bukas.
oh yeah, I'll just get the butong na lang.
Isa lang,
Or
isa
this one. Which is
Ibos.
better, this one or that one?
Pag hindi ka masyadong, ano ba?
Not so much,
Sabi mo, ibus to,
not
ibus.
sweet.
Oo, ibos.
Oo,
Tsaka
so
ito,
it's
buto.
just rice. Oo, ito
Pareha
naman.
sila ng timpla, pero ibang lagayan sila. Pag hindi ka masyadong,
Para hindi ako maging mataba.
pag hindi
Which
ka
one?
masyadong maalat magtimpla, ito yung kukunin mo.
Ah,
Pero
I don't want
tapos
sweet.
mo medyo
I don't want, I'm watching my diet. Ano ba? Mas,
Parehas lang sila dalawa.
Ah, okay.
Oo. Kasi
But-
ito
but-
matamis. Ito, hindi naman ito masyadong matamis.
are you
Ano
sure?
lang, ang katamtaman.
How to eat it?
Ganun mo lang. Ito. Spoon.
Maybe I should get like this na lang pala.
Oo. Pasalubong mo, sir. Tapos pag nakain mo yan, di na yan makakapunta sa pupuntahan kasi naubos mo na.
Ah, ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Try mo lang isa-isa.
Wait, how about this one? Makano is ganito? 10 pesos.
Ayan, 10 din.
You should get the... No, but ano bang tinatawag nito ulit?
Kalamay natin.
I've tried the calamay na. Maybe I should get like this na lang. Para
ito
iba...
yung sikat
Para,
sa Bohol. Pero sabi ng
Mas
kapatid
masikat?
ko, mas masarap to sa akin. kaysa
mas sikat ito kaysa ganito?
Hindi, okay lang kasi masarap yan man sila lahat.
Ah.
Lahat nagluluto niya.
What's your... Anong pangalan mo?
Evelyn po.
Evelyn? Magandang pangalan. What should I get, auntie?
Great. What time did we fly in? 6:20?
We flew in at... We got here 5:30.
No,
Oh.
6:30. It's only-
5:30 is the arrival time here.
Ano ka mo, sir? Nagbakasyon?
Bakasyon, yeah.
No, remember the flight was supposed to leave 4:10?
4:10 but left 4:30. We arrived supposedly 5:30. We arrived 5:45.
Yeah.
5 something like that.
Katapusan nyo na ano, Lagoon?
Ah.
Destination?
Kasi pupunta kami sa Carmelite, may burial mass daw.
Carmelite doon.
May namatay sa kaibigan na brother.
Tagasan kayo?
Taga Manila, pero yung kaibigan niya dito
Sa
taga
Negros?
Bacolod. Bacolodian sila. Ikaw, lumaki ka dito?
Hindi, sa ibang town.
Ibang town. Pero sa Negros
Oo.
din. Mahusay. This is the most amount of Filipino I've ever been using somewhere. Oh wait, what should I get? What should I get?
Ito na. Fly back to Manila.
Ito, masarap to, sir. Dalhin mo sa Manila.
If I can choose one, ito. Flight this afternoon, 8 o'clock pa.
Okay, pwede pa naman to bukas.
Really? But this might be too sweet for me.
Kakargahan
No.
niya. Yan.
Hindi masyadong sweet yan.
Baka matapon sa loob ng bag ko? No.
Hindi. I-ano lang natin. Meron kang scotch tape doon, i-scotch tape mo lang.
Wala
Para
kang
hindi matapon.
wala kang scotch tape.
Mamayang hapon na kayo. No?
Baka ito na lang para it's
Sige,
easy.
tingnan mo lang.
Ito na lang
Tapos
para
hanapin mo ako sa Facebook pag gusto mo. Padalan kita doon. wala ka.
Oh, like ganito na lang
O,
para
isa.
yan, ganyan.
Tatlo. O,
Para
ayan.
I can give
pwede mo
to
itong merienda.
yung mga
Tapos
kaibigan
bukas
ko.
ng morning, i-ano mo siya sa
Oh, isa
kape.
pa.
Sa
Oh, yan.
coffee.
O yan.
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Bukas
makano
ng morning.
isaw-saw sa kape? Or
Anong pari sa kape.
pare. But not sausaw, right? No sausaw.
Oo. Ito yun, dito mo siya isasawsaw sa masubado
okay.
sugar.
Okay. Okay, yan. Makano lahat?
60.
Okay, I
Para
said,
matikman mo din yung native
I'm
na-
excited to try it na.
Kung gusto mo ngayon, babalatan kita.
Oh, so Miss Evelyn, how long have you been nandito nagtitinda ka?
Mga ano na kami, 3-4
Third.
years.
What did you end up buying?
I bought all this stuff here.
3.
So at least I can taste and I'll tell my
sir.
friends also sa
Mas
Manila.
masarap yan bukas.
Okay, good.
Kasi ang gata, sumasarap pag na overnight na. Hindi kaya galing
Butong and
sa ibus.
Ibus. So I'll remember, I'll tell my friends. He must go to Bacolod, look for Evelyn at the
Oo,
at the
kasi
park.
Ito sir,
Diba?
papupuntang Canada lagi to at Amerika.
Canada and America. Oh, yung friend niya,
Kasi
taga
ang-
Canada.
Kasi ang daming, meron kaming ng attorney na suki nito. Meron siyang anak sa Canada, tapos pabalik-balik siya every 3 months.
Oh, wow.
Nang bumibili siya nito, nilalagay niya lang sa freezer. Umaabot daw ng 3 months.
Mm.
Kasi
Butong. I'm excited to try it tomorrow already. I'll try it.
Oo, masarap yan, sir. Tapos i-text mo ko, Evelyn, ang sarap ng butong
Evelyn,
mo.
wait. Evelyn, ang sarap ng butong mo. Sounds, sounds.
Tagpulo, ma'am.
Pili na. You tried it before?
Wala pa sa gulo try. Kasi yung bumibili nito niyan, sir, pag bumili ka bago, bukas, sunod na week, bibili ka talaga dito. Kasi meron niyang
Oh.
sarap na.
Oh, mag-imbita ka sa mga subscribers ko kasi may YouTube ako.
Ay,
Go.
oo.
Yeah.
Tagasan sila? Lahat? Whole Philippines?
US and the
Hindi.
Philippines and the US also?
Baka magawi lang sila dito sa Bacolod. Nandito ako every Saturday and Sunday.
Every Saturday, Sunday.
Tapos, pag gusto nila pasalubong, text lang nila ako ahead.
All right. She's here every Saturday and Sunday. Just to let you know, the people that don't understand Filipino, every Saturday and Sunday at the
Morning.
Bacolod.
Lagoon.
What's this? Bacolod Lagoon, where the park is. Is that City Hall?
Yeah, ng
So-
Capitol.
The capital.
Ng province.
So Evelyn's here, and if you wanna buy the butong and the ibos and the
Kalamay-hati.
kalamay
Meron
hati,
yung suman na ubos na.
ubos na yung suman. Okay, then you come here.
Tapos sir,
Alright.
sana naabutan niyo yung taho.
What's a pahu?
Taho.
Taho. Oh, I like taho.
Masarap na masarap yung
Isn't it the same as
niya.
taho? Different.
Oo, taho.
Iba.
Sa Manila, taho.
That's what I wanted. I wanted
yung may
taho.
suya, tsaka siro.
Carnival. The carnival.
Siro.
Syrup. Sa Manila, they call it carnival. Carnival.
Hindi, taho rin.
Taho. Okay. Next time na lang. When I come back here again, here in
Baka-
Bacolod.
Baka
Yes.
magawi ka dito ulit. Tapos may kasama ka ng
I know. Someone taught me one word. Ginuhugma kita.
Ginahigugma.
Ginagihugma kita.
Ginahigugma.
Hugma kita. I love you, right?
Anang mahal.
That's all I remember. Before when I came here. Back,
Ilang
that was
second mo na-
1990.
second time mo na to?
Wait,
Nandito?
1994 pumunta ako
tagal na.
dito. Nagre-recruit kami sa mga estudyante diyan sa De La Salle, Bacolod.
Oo.
Para mag-study sa Manila, sa De La Salle, Manila.
Okay.
'Di ba may De La Salle?
Bakit nagre-recruit pa wala.
Kasi because the students here are very matino.
Okay.
And matinik.
Unlike dun sa Luzon?
I don't know. They told me to come here. Kasi
Bakit saan ka
yung kurso ko robotics.
Okay. Para mag-ano.
'Di ba may good technical yung
Oo.
De La Salle dito, 'di ba? Oh, yeah. That's why we're recruiting. May robotics class kami sa Manila.
Sa Lasal.
Sa La Salle, Manila. Yes.
Si Tita, busy.
I know.
Busy siya.
With yung mga
Pero pupunta ba
kaklase.
kayo ng ano tawag sabi mo sa Carmelite?
Sa Carmelite muna,
Ngayon?
10 a.m. And then sa Mass. And then pagkatapos yan, pupunta kami sa sa ruins maybe, I don't know.
Sa
After lunch na yun, we will see.
But we don't know what to do here. Ano bang pwedeng gawin dito? Sa loob na dito? Yung kansi, you said sa kansi,
Sharing.
Sharin's kansi. But they have other food that's also sikat there also?
Yung crispy kansi naman nila.
Oh, crispy kansi. That's
Dalawa
pork,
yun.
right?
Tapos meron siyang ibang menu.
Okay.
Mga vegetables, saka...
Sharin's kansi. Maybe we should try something there, something light.
Oo, kasi ng mga artista pumupunta dyan, sir.
Oh, you're an artista. We should go there.
Hindi ka
She said it.
makaka-uwi ng lugar mo pag hindi ka nakabisit sa Sharin.
Okay, Sharin's. I'll go to Sharin's.
Basta tingnan
Kansi.
yung vlog ni Erwan Yusuf, yung asawa ni Ann Curtis.
Yes, she did. Ano pa? Saan ba pwede pumunta dito?
Na-interview din yan yung Sharins ni Cara David.
Who's Cara David? Sa TV. Okay, yes.
Ano pa bang pwedeng puntahan dito?
Sikat ba yung Aidas pa dito? Aidas Manukan? Aidas
meron
Manukan
din
Country? Gina's.
Oo. Seafoods.
Sikat ba din dyan?
Oo.
Gina's Seafoods,
Oo.
okay.
Tapos meron dito mas malapit yung Jutay Restaurant. Seafood din siya.
Jutais. Okay, oh there. Pili na. Butong.
Kaya ang taga-advertise.
Silain mo, ma'am. Sila.
Ang buhay dito. Tell everybody, kamusta ang buhay dito?
Okay lang din, sir. Kung kakayod ka, edi mapupulot ka.
That's good to hear.
Kasi pag kung kailangan para mabuhay ka, kailangan mo rin kumayo.
Yes, yes.
Mahirap yung ano lang kasi dito sa Pilipinas na.
Is it
Tama.
heavy?
Maliit ang sahod.
Did you end up buying?
Tama. That's why everyone go abroad na lang, right? Ikaw, why don't you go abroad also?
Okay na kami, sir, dito. Sa
Okay.
Kakani.
No, but how about weekday? Ano bang
Ito rin.
negosyo? Weekday
Meron
also
kami-
pala.
Meron kaming mga coffee shop na
Okay.
lalagyan.
Oh, okay. It's like consign na lang na yan.
Tapos every Saturday and Sunday nagtitinda.
Dito na lang. Ah,
At
okay.
sa NGC, nung asawa ko noon sa NGC,
What's NGC?
Ng New Government Center ng Bacolod kasi doon yung City Hall.
Ah,
ng
okay.
Bacolod. Ito sa province.
Akala
yung
ko that
Capitol.
yung City Hall. Okay,
Oh,
okay, okay.
Capitol.
Capitol.
Province ito. Yung NGC.
Bali yung Bacolod nyo considered provincial, di ba? Capital.
Ay, hindi.
No, this is the
Sila,
capital.
The capital
Oo,
city
capital
is
This is the
Bacolod.
capital
Oh,
city.
Bali ang province, Negros Occidental.
Yes.
Dito ang province. Yung sa City Hall ng Bacolod, nandun sa NGC. Part
Okay.
ng Villamonte.
Oh, pero hindi ba sila ay ano?
Sila ay
Ibang city.
A different
ibang
area.
city din.
Oo.
After
Pero
Bacolod,
sila ay at
Talisay.
Bacolod at Talisay, di ba? Part of,
Bacolod, Talisay sila ay.
oo, part of
Part of Negros
West Visaya, Negros Occidental.
Negros
North,
Occidental.
South.
Sige. Oh,
Oh, what?
did you get to
I
it?
already bought already. How about you? Are you getting
No,
some
no,
them?
no.
Okay, she's
Okay na yun, sir.
Okay, Miss
Oh, sige.
Evelyn.
Oh, thank you.
It's good to meet
Sir, what is your
Subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel. Great.
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 Oo,
Great.
ano tawag yun?
Great Wall of China. Great.
Pinakamalaki. Ano?
That was Evelyn Hechanova with her, what's they call that? Kakanin. Only found here in Bacolod. I never heard that I only knew that they have their own special kakanin here pala. Right? You've never tried those yet, have you?
Ha?
Are you into kakanin?
Kakanin? Yeah, I mean, I have tried it, but these ones that she mentioned, I've not tried a salty one. She said there's a salty one.
Okay.